Every financial advisor likes to talk about how they're different. But when you really look at what they're offering, there is nothing different about it. They try to say that they don't charge commissions, but advisors haven't charged commissions in decades. They tell you that they protect your investments, but do they make any defensive moves during a market correction? I'm Randall Morrow, the founder of Resin Investments, and I want to share with you the 6 ways that we are different than any other advisory firm out there. Resin was started not to make money managing people's investments, but rather to protect them. You see, Resin started as an idea back in 2008. I was running a technology company and had hired an advisor over the past number of years to manage my own investments. One day I looked at my quarterly statement and realized I hadn't made a dime in over 10 years. All the fees that I had paid this company, and yet my account had not grown in over a decade. Well, you can imagine I was pretty pissed. And I'm not alone here. I'm sure you have a story that is similar. In any case, I figured at that moment with my technology background that I could do better. And that was the day Resin was born. You see, I'm an investor also, and I'm tired at the way the financial industry treats investors. So how is Resin different? We have 6 principles that stand us apart. The first is that we charge a performance-only fee. Please check out our other video on this, but the bottom line is that we don't get paid unless you're making money. To my knowledge, no other advisory firm in the world charges this type of structure. And yet, if they were really interested in protecting you, they would do the same. You make money, I make money. You don't, I don't, period. Coupled with this, I want you to know we're in this together. I'm an investor right alongside you. And I would never invest your hard-earned money in something that I would not be comfortable investing in myself. The third thing is that I focus on safety and true diversification. I'm sure you've seen that when the stock market corrects, all investments fall. There are no safe investments. Sure, some fall less than others, but at the end of the day, they're all negative. Remember that I'm an investor as well. As a result, I'm constantly trying to find alternative investments that move differently than the stock market. My goal is to invest in different assets so that when one is down, the others are holding steady. The fourth difference is that we will discuss taxes with you. We want to be in investments that are tax advantaged. I don't want to make money on an investment only to find out that all my profits got taken away in taxes. So we sit down with you and develop a plan that minimizes the tax impact for you. This might simply mean that we are investing the right combination in your 401k, Roth, and IRA accounts. But for our high net worth clients that really need tax reduction, this might mean investing in more complicated things like real estate investment funds or other alternative investments that are tax advantaged. Fifth, you will have direct access to me. There's nothing worse than sitting down with an advisor for the first time, excited to work with him, only to find out later that he pushes you off on a partner or an assistant. I specifically limit how many clients I will take on so that I can always be available for our clients personally. Lastly, please check out our separate video on this, but we are a registered investment advisor, which means we are a fiduciary to you. What does that mean? Basically, it means that we will be held liable if we do not put your best interests in front of all else. This sounds like a no-brainer, but most financial advisors do not have this requirement. In fact, they don't even have to have a license. We, on the other hand, are registered with the SEC and state security commissions and take our responsibility very seriously. I hope the above 6 help to show you that Resin is an entirely different advisory firm. We put your interests first and always. So welcome to Resin, a different type of investing.